Thought leadership ads. Let's talk about them. Now, thought leader ads are coming from a personal profile. They are not coming from the company page. As a result, the authenticity of these type of ads are much more than those coming from the company pages. And because of this very reason, the click-through rates or the engagement rates or cost per clicks metrics, these are great on thought leader ads. So when you compare them to other company page ads, you would see that the cost per clicks on thought leader ads are very less. The engagement rates are very high. The average dwell time on thought leader ads are very high as compared to the other ad formats. Now, there are various questions in regards to thought leadership ads. First of all, should we add links in thought leadership ads or not? Now, initially, when you are posting a thought leadership, don't add any links because every social media platform does not prefer link which takes it away from that platform. So initially, don't add any links. Let it be only a text-based post. So once it gains traction, and after let's say 1 or 2 or 3 weeks, you decide to sponsor it, then you can go and edit that post, and then you can go and add the links. Now, what type of formats or what type of content offers we can use with thought leadership ads? Now, you can use top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, all kind of offers you can test out with thought leadership ads. Let's say inviting somebody for your webinar, maybe asking somebody to schedule a call. Now, you can even with the partnership ads that LinkedIn has recently introduced. So if somebody says positive about your products or services or about your brand, you can even sponsor that particular post as well. So case studies and testimonials are also you can try it out in thought leadership ads. Now, as far as the remarketing process goes, so there are various kind of funnels you can try out with thought leadership ads. So let's say if somebody engages with a thought leadership ad, you can move them to the second stage of funnel and let's say show them a middle of funnel content offer from your company page. People who download that, then you can move them to the third stage of funnel and show them a bottom of funnel offer or talk to a sales guy or free trial or demo offer. Similarly, let's say you can have a short two-stage funnel as well. Since thought leadership ads are coming from a personal profile, the people who engage with that, you can send them a sponsored messaging ad. And since, as I said, thought leadership ads are coming from a personal profile, the sponsored messaging ad also goes from a personal profile. So it actually amplifies that effect. As far as the type of post goes, you can test out the long form post in thought leadership ads. You can test out the videos in thought leadership ads. Overall, thought leadership ads are the future of LinkedIn ads marketing, and I would highly recommend to use them as one of, I would say, strategies in your LinkedIn ads framework. Thanks so much.